Hi, everybody. Do you know why so many of us struggle with chronic diseases like diabetes, high cholesterol, fatty liver disease, heart disease, or weight gain? Of course, there are many reasons for that. But one of the most common reasons that everybody ignores is a lack of variety in our diet. Despite the vast range of nutritious foods available at the grocery store, we often stick to the same few items day after day and meal after meal. Think about it. 70 to 80% of our lunch plate and dinner plates look the same day after day. Today, we'll explore how something as simple as just adding more variety to your diet can have a huge impact on your health. This is the first video in a three-part series where we'll dive deep into the power of different foods. Make sure to watch all the videos to get the full picture. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Vamshi Bende. I'm a board certified internal medicine physician, nephrologist, and lifestyle medicine specialist. I'm passionate about preventing and reversing lifestyle diseases. I'm a diabetes reversal expert, and I've also completed nutrition studies from Stanford University and Cornell University. I'm thrilled to share the journey toward better health with you. Let's get started. Many of my patients were able to reverse their fatty liver disease, cholesterol, high blood pressure, and lost a lot of weight and have seen many other health benefits just by including more variety in their diet. If you want to get healthy, try adding the following foods to your diet regularly. Soybeans are truly a nutritional powerhouse. If you look at one of the longest living populations in the world, the Japanese, they consume a lot of soy products. If the longest living people are incorporating soy into their diets, I think it's safe for us to enjoy a little too. So, why is soy so good? Soy is one of the few plant foods that provides a complete source of protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. This is a rare quality in plant foods. This makes soy an excellent option for vegetarians and vegans or anyone looking to reduce their meat intake. But that's not all. Soy is also rich in fiber, which promotes digestive health and helps lower cholesterol levels. Also, a serving of soy can provide essential minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium. Iron is crucial for energy production. Calcium, as we all know, is needed for strong bones. And magnesium plays a key role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in our body. Now, let's address a common myth. Many people are concerned about soy and its effect on our hormones due to the presence of phytoestrogens in soy. However, research has shown that phytoestrogens from soy do not act like estrogen in our body. In fact, moderate soy consumption can have heart protective benefits and lowers the risk of heart disease. So, what's the best way to incorporate soy into our diet? Easiest way is going to be by consuming soy milk available in the market instead of consuming regular milk. You can use it to make tea or use it in smoothies. Also, you can try tofu and include that in foods and curries we make at home. There will be a little getting used to that needs to happen when you start eating soy. Next up, we have sweet potatoes, one of the most nutrient dense vegetables out there. They're rich in something called beta carotene, an antioxidant that our body converts into vitamin A. Sweet potatoes are also packed with fiber. This not only aids digestion but also helps control blood sugar levels. Many people mistakenly believe that sweet potatoes are too starchy and should be avoided if they are watching their carb intake. However, unlike refined carbohydrates, sweet potatoes are complex carbs that release energy slowly, helping you to feel fuller for longer. Easiest way to incorporate sweet potatoes is going to be by boiling, roasting, or mashing them and including them regularly in your diet. Next up, we have chia seeds. You might have seen these tiny black and white seeds in health stores, but do you know just how powerful they are? Chia seeds are often dubbed as superfood, and for good reason. These tiny seeds may be small, but they're packed with nutrients. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain about 140 calories, 5 grams of protein, 11 grams of fiber, and 4 grams of healthy fats, which are mostly omega 3 fatty acids that help to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of calcium. Just 30 grams or 1 ounce of chia seeds provides about 18% of your daily calcium needs. They also contain magnesium, which helps regulate muscle and nerve function, blood sugar levels, and also blood pressure. A common misconception about chia seeds is that you can eat them dry, but they are actually more beneficial if you soak them. Soaking chia seeds makes them easier to digest and helps your body absorb more nutrients. After soaking chia seeds for about 10 to 15 minutes or even overnight, you can add them to your smoothies, oatmeal, or salads. And here's a fun fact. Chia seeds were a staple in the diets of ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and the Mayans, who valued them for their energy boosting properties. In fact, the word chia means strength in the Mayan language. So, whether you're looking to boost your omega 3 intake, enhance your digestive health, or simply add a nutrition powerhouse to your meals, chia seeds are a fantastic choice. Include them every day in your diet and see your health benefits accumulate. Now, let's talk about chickpeas or chole. You may already be eating chickpeas, but you need to try to consume these more often as these legumes are not only incredibly versatile but are also packed with nutrition. Chickpeas are a rich source of protein. Just one cup of cooked chickpeas provides about 15 grams of protein. They are also high in iron, which is crucial for transportation of oxygen in your body. Plus, chickpeas are loaded with vitamin called folate, which is important for cell division and DNA synthesis, contributing to your brain health. If you're only consuming chickpeas occasionally, try to consume them more often by replacing some of your other foods to add more variety in your meals. And finally, let's move on to the superstar of any modern day health trend, avocado. This fruit is famous for its healthy fats, particularly something called monounsaturated fats, which are heart healthy and help reduce your bad cholesterol while increasing your good cholesterol. Avocados are also rich in potassium, which is vital for controlling blood pressure and maintaining proper muscle function. Plus, avocados are high in fiber as well. Healthy fats present in avocados are an essential part of a balanced diet and actually help you feel satisfied. They also help with absorption of fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. If you've never purchased avocados before, here's a quick tip. Always choose ripe avocados which are soft when you press them, and look for the ones that are dark in color, indicating that they are ripe and ready to eat. Avoid buying unripe avocados which are too hard and too green. Avocados are so tasty that once you get into the habit of eating avocados, it's very hard to stop. There you have it, some of the most nutrient dense foods you can easily incorporate into your daily diet. From the powerful benefits of soy to the versatility of chickpeas, each of these foods brings something unique to the table. By adding variety to your diet, you'll not only enjoy a range of flavors and textures, but also support your overall health. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more nutrition tips, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more healthy foods. Until then, bye bye.